Britannica AI Chatbot is one of the most talked about newly released AI tools, but what makes it stand out from the crowd? In this review, I'm going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know about Britannica AI Chatbot, so by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's worth your time and money. First off, Britannica AI Chatbot is not just your typical chatbot. It's powered by a massive knowledge base, pulling from the same trusted sources that you might already know from the renowned Britannica Encyclopedia. This makes it an exceptional tool for providing reliable, factual, and detailed information on a wide range of topics. Something you might not find in many AI chatbots out there. It's the kind of software that's perfect for those looking for a more authoritative, accurate assistant. What's also impressive is how the software uses advanced natural language processing. Unlike simpler AI bots that can sometimes feel robotic, Britannica AI Chatbot has an impressive conversational quality. It understands your questions in a way that feels much more human, with context and depth, making it an excellent tool for both personal use and businesses that need a higher level of interaction with their users. One of the standout features here is its customization options. You can tailor the AI to provide responses in different tones and styles, making it suitable for everything from casual conversations to formal business interactions. So whether you're using it for customer service or just to get quick information, it adapts to your needs, which is a big plus. Another thing you'll love about Britannica AI Chatbot is how easy it is to integrate with other platforms. Whether you're looking to embed it on your website or use it in a CRM system, it offers seamless integration that saves time and avoids unnecessary headaches. If you've ever dealt with complicated setups for AI tools, you'll appreciate this level of convenience. The AI's performance is another area where Britannica stands out. It's fast, responsive, and does a fantastic job of answering complex queries. With the ability to handle both simple and sophisticated questions, it's a tool that can be used across multiple industries, from education to e-commerce, and even healthcare. If you need an AI that can handle multiple types of inquiries, this is one of the most versatile options available. However, it's important to note that while Britannica AI Chatbot is great at delivering factual, curated information, it doesn't yet have the creativity or personal touch that some other AI tools might offer. If you're looking for a chatbot that can help with creative tasks like writing or brainstorming, this may not be the best fit for that. It's perfect for anyone needing reliable, information-driven answers, but lacks the flexibility to create content on the fly. And while the chatbot's primary strength is in delivering high-quality factual responses, it's also an ongoing project. Britannica has mentioned they will continuously improve the AI, adding even more features and expanding its capabilities. This is good news for users who are thinking long-term about adopting this AI, as it will only get better with time. For those of you interested in trying out Britannica AI Chatbot, I've included a link in the description where you can access it completely free. That's right, you can start using it without any risk. It's a great way to get a feel for the software and see if it suits your needs. And finally, if you're still exploring which AI tools are the best for you, I've tested thousands of AI software options. You'll find my recommendations for top AI tools in the description below, each one with a free trial so you can see exactly what works best for your needs. To sum it up, Britannica AI Chatbot is an outstanding tool if you're looking for reliable, factual, and professional AI-powered assistance. While it doesn't have the same creativity as some other platforms, its customization, ease of use, and overall performance make it a strong contender for businesses and personal use alike. Try it out for free from the link below and see if it's the right fit for you.